welcome to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chimichurri steak tacos. Steak and chimichurri could not be a more classic combination, and I love this recipe because it's one of those things where you set out the tortillas, you set out the steak, you can do all the fixins, you put like lots of chimichurri on the table, and people just make their own. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, be sure to subscribe to see all of our future cooking videos. All right, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to be using a grill pan. Of course, you can use an outdoor grill. You could also use a cast iron skillet, but I like the way the grill pan gives the steak those nice like char lines and makes it feel like a little smoky. We're going to be topping our steak with the chimichurri. Now, you could marinate the steak in the chimichurri if you wanted to, but sometimes when you marinate, you end up not getting as crisp of a char. So what we're going to do is we're going to grill it first and then toss it with the chimichurri. We're also going to be adding pickled onion, which is super quick pickled, just sliced onion with a little bit of white wine or apple cider vinegar just to take some of that like oniony intensity out, but also make it a little tangy and sweet. Some cilantro, some avocado, and lime. Of course, if you want, you can add cheese, sour cream, anything you like in your tacos. We're gonna start cooking. We're gonna season our steak with salt, put it in our grill pan, and leave it there. We're gonna let it grill without like moving it around or touching it. Get those nice grill marks for like 4 minutes. Flip it. It will let you know when it's ready to flip because it will flip easily. Cook it for another few minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, let it rest, slice it up, toss it with the chimi, and make our tacos. Nice hot grill pan. And here we go. So we've taken the steak off of the grill and we've let it rest for about 5-10 minutes just so we keep all the juices in. Now we're gonna slice it and toss it with the chimichurri sauce and then put it into the tacos. So we're basically gonna start here. We have nice medium rare steak. We have a great char on the outside. And the way that you get that char is a hot pan and not moving the steak around until it's really seared on the heat. Nice and juicy. And we didn't marinate the steak first because I really wanted us to get that crispy char. But now we're gonna toss it with the sauce. So we're gonna take the steak, put it in our bowl. Now we're gonna add about a 1/4 pouch of chimichurri. Give it like a nice toss. And it's sort of like a marinade after the grill, which I love. And it blends with the cooked steak and it doesn't affect the crispiness of that like crusty sear. And now we're ready to build the tacos. So there you have it, our chimichurri steak tacos with avocado, cilantro, and some quick pickled onions. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see all of our future videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking.